Hello, this is Kara on Rump Raves. Today I'm going to be comparing reusable and disposable tampons. I have a couple different brands here, and I have one brand that I have the regular and the super, so that's going to be my real comparison, and then I'm just going to compare the other two for fun. I'm going to be doing this with a Maluna Small, and it holds 23 milliliters up to the rim, like up to the very top. I'm not going to be too exact, but I'll be filling this. I'm going to go ahead and tip this down here. I have just a thing of water to fill my cup. First, I'm going to start with a Tampax regular and a regular tampon of my own creation. Go ahead and get this out of here. It has just a cardboard applicator. Okay, so here is the tampon itself. I'm going to go ahead and fill the Maluna cup to the very top. So this is 100% full. And it is warm water. I thought that would be a little bit better since your body temperature is going to be warm. And the cup is actually kind of emptying itself because the water is leaking out of the holes. But that's going to happen with all of them, so it'll be the same. I'm going to just dip it down in here and see how much it will absorb. Alright, so as you can see here, it hasn't absorbed everything in the cup, and I'm going to just kind of put a tiny bit of pressure around it just as your body would be doing. And obviously this would be leaking by this point. This tampon got really long. I did not know that it would do that, but I guess it's compressed so much. So it just kind of flattens out. That's very strange. Probably soaked up a little bit over half, and some of it dripped back into the container. Just go ahead and get rid of this. And here I'm going to do the reusable one. And again, it's just kind of leaking out of the holes a little bit first. I'll let it go ahead and do that, so it's an even comparison. Okay, so this is the reusable tampon, and I just kind of rolled it up. It's pretty loose, but whatever. It would loosen up a little bit in your body, and then I wrapped the tail around the end to keep it rolled up for the demonstration. Go ahead and dip it in here, and I think it's a little bit slower absorbing because it's not the rayon fibers. But here, I'll just hold it up closer. You can see the liquid is slowly going up the tampon. And actually with a reusable tampon, it has kind of the spiral that's rolled up inside your body, so the blood goes straight down the middle and just kind of goes straight down and then kind of fills out. So you get the maximum capacity out of it. Still slowly. Alright, so now as you can see, it's gone up the whole tampon. It's all that darker saturated color. Go ahead and lift it up. There's still a little bit of fluid left in there. If I shake it, you can see it. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other one. Just kind of squeeze it a little bit to kind of get out that extra fluid that would not be absorbed if a tampon was being squeezed by the muscles in your vagina. So if you look at here, you can see it did absorb a little bit more than the regular tampon. Probably, I would say, 10 more milliliters.